Good morning, class. So here's our quarter sawn oak sample that we fumed a couple of weeks back. So we took that 27% strength ammonia, put it into two small little plastic cups, put it into a Pyrex dish, covered it with plastic wrap, and let it fume overnight. This is what it looks like with clear finish, clear lacquer finish. On this side here, I made up an Arti Dye color. Remember the article dyes that we used in school? This particular one was 1/2 teaspoon of 792 orange, 1/8 teaspoon of 118 gray, and 1/8 teaspoon of number 129 red dissolved into 4 ounces of hot distilled water. I let it cool to room temperature, strained it out, applied 1 coat, and then sealed it with lacquer sanding sealer, applied that. When that dried after about 10 minutes, lightly sanded it, and then put on 2 coats of the gloss lacquer. So here's the finished product. This is indicative of what an arts and crafts color from 1900 would look like on quarter sawn white oak. And there you have it.